Hi, once again, it's Mike from Take My Money. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of home security camera with the Rebluum RB-3PT1 solar battery security camera. I've been testing this out for a couple of weeks now, and I'm excited to share my thoughts. The camera features a 2K resolution, 3 megapixel Ultra HD video, two-way talk, micro SD card slot that supports up to 128 GB of local storage, alarm notification, and connects over Wi-Fi. As for the unboxing, inside the package you'll find a warning sticker, the solar panel, the camera itself, mounting brackets, cables, and the instruction manual. Everything is neatly packed and the build quality feels solid. Underneath the camera base, you will find your micro SD card slot, power and reset buttons. Tucked away behind the camera is your USB Type-C port for charging and hooking up your solar panel. Setting up the camera is a breeze. If not charged, you can charge it with the included USB-C cable. The 97 mAh battery ensures that it stays powered even during cloudy days. Download the Cloud Edge app, create an account, and follow the on-screen instruction to connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network. The RB-3PT1 offers 355 degrees of pan, 90 degrees of tilt, 4 times digital zoom, night vision, spotlight, and motion detection. You can adjust the camera's angle remotely using the app. It also features a microphone and speaker for two-way talk. I have been impressed with this camera's performance. The solar panel keeps the battery charged and the camera captures clear footage. This camera is IP66 waterproof rated for outdoor and holds up to extreme temperature of 14 to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. Other features includes its AI-powered motion detection and smart alert feature that allows you to customize your motion detection area and get alerts when a human, pet, car, or package is detected to help reduce false notifications. The smart alarm with spotlight and siren work together to ward off uninvited visitors with audio warning, white light, and strobe light warnings. The camera works with your Alexa and Google voice assistants to use voice controls to display live images to you. Overall, the Rebluum RB-3PT1 is a reliable and affordable wireless security camera. It's easy to set up, offers great features, and the solar charging is a game changer. Once again, it's Mike from Take My Money. Thanks for watching.